Welcome to Houston, where the local time is 5:03 p.m. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. And if you're sitting in an exit row, please don't plug your devices into the outlet. Don't forget to check your seat pocket and the area around your seat to make sure you have all your belongings, and be careful when opening the overhead bins. Once you arrive at the gate, our airport team will be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. Checked luggage can be retrieved from baggage carousel number 12. If you checked any luggage with us today, it will be carousel number C12. Your feedback is really important to us, so some of you will be receiving a survey asking you about your experience by email or in the United app. We'd love to know how you enjoyed your flight with us today. You can also quickly find your baggage claim information by opening the United app, selecting flight status, and entering the flight number. Baggage claim information will be under the arrival gate information. We also have some customers with tight connections to their next destination. If Houston is your final destination, or you're not in a hurry, please remain seated and let them pass first. Please raise your hands if you have a tight connection so those around you can see that you need to get off quick. Thank you. Once again, we're also arriving at Terminal C at Gate C37. Since this is the first stop in the U.S., everyone needs to claim their checked bags and go through customs. If you're connected to another flight, you need to recheck your bags in the recheck area right before the exit, and then go through security again before your connecting flight. Now, if you are connected to an international flight with the United, your bag will be transferred to your international destination. As usual, check with the gate agent to make sure your bag is transferring. On behalf of the entire United team and our Starline partners, thank you for choosing to fly with us today. We hope you enjoy your flight, and we'll look forward to seeing you again soon. Once the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off, please stand clear of the